Hey YouTube, Choose Cheese 127 here, and I have an unnatural talent. I can use sound effects, various sound effects, and I've become very popular at my school because of them. Now, I'm going to start out with the crappiest one first, which is the gunshot. I mean, it's quite simple to do. You can just look up a ton of tutorials on YouTube, because there's probably going to be a link to one on the related videos section. So if you want to learn it, look at someone else's video. I'm just going to do mine. I can't stop blinking when I do it. That's the cock of the barrel in a pistol when there's only one round loaded into the clip. An echoish chamber of the shot. That's more of an FNFAL kind of thing. And no, I can't do sniper rifles. So, yeah, there's my sound effects. There's a lot more coming, so don't worry. There's a lot more, and trust me, they're much better than this. So for now, Choose Cheese 127, signing off.